So, what is the point of outdoor learning? Why is it so important? There are several really key points here to consider. One is outdoors is experiential. Everything that you do in the outdoors is about your experience. So it really feeds into constructivism really properly. It provides perspective. So in a world that is global and digital, it provides a sense of space in your community and your locality that is very grounding and really necessary to help people navigate this increasingly complex world and society that we live in. And it also it teaches us about ourselves, and this is a really key thing. When you go out into nature, you cannot be angry that it's raining and have it stop raining. Nature doesn't work like that. So when we challenge ourselves in the natural environment, it forces us to become reflective. It forces us to look at what we change about ourselves and how we come to terms with our responses, because you can't rush nature. You can't dictate terms to nature. You have to go with what nature provides for you as an experience and work out what that means for you. And that's a really deeply powerful lesson that a lot of education just misses out.